Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You think say anybody debout where you know fi pray for? Hmm? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button now. Drop one comment below and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, may I invite you right now to click the subscribe button. It not gonna cost you nothing. And the notification bell too. So that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to Timothy, chapter 2, from verse 1 to verse 7. So first thing first, I beg you and the people them to pray for everybody. Beg God for come true for them. Give God thanks for them and ask him to give them all what they need. Pray for anybody who run one country and for people who are in a power. Pray for them so we can live in a peace and quiet, behave like how we behave, and worship God. I want good something this, and I saw the God will save we. Want we to pray for everybody. He want everybody to get saved and to know the truth. Because I only one God devout, and Jesus Christ are the middleman, the only one who can bring God and people together. Jesus gave up in life so that he could buy back everybody and free them from sin. When Jesus died, him sure said God did have one plan to save people, but in a film on a time. As so make God send me to be my apostle, so me could have preached the truth. Him send me to teach all of the people them we are not Jew and tell them say God will save them if them believe in a Jesus. Me not lie. Me I tell you the truth. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.